The rise of billion-dollar startups overnight, a new kind of business era. In the past, building a billion-dollar company took decades. Businesses grew slowly, relying on factories, physical stores, and gradual market expansion. However, the 21st century introduced a dramatic shift. Technology, the internet, and global connectivity created an environment where startups could scale faster than ever before. Today, companies can reach billion-dollar valuations within months or even weeks, redefining how success is measured in the modern economy. What does billion-dollar overnight really mean? The phrase billion-dollar startup overnight does not mean instant profit. It refers to valuation, the estimated worth of a company based on investor confidence, future growth potential, and market demands. These startups often raise large funding rounds that push their valuation beyond $1 billion, earning the title of unicorn. This phenomena highlights belief in ideas rather than immediate financial performance. The role of venture capital. Venture capital has played a role in this transformation. Investors are willing to fund risky but scalable ideas in exchange for equity. Unlike traditional lenders, venture capitalists focus on exponential growth rather than stability. When a startup shows rapid user adoption or solves a large-scale problem, funding pours in, accelerating valuation growth at an unprecedented pace. Technology as the growth engine. Technology is the backbone of overnight success stories. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, mobile apps, and data analytics allow startups to operate globally with minimal infrastructure. A small team with laptops and internet access can reach millions of users. This low barrier to entry enables rapid experimentation and scaling. The power of network effects. Many billion-dollar startups rely on network effects where a product becomes more valuable as more people use it. Social media platforms, marketplaces, and communication apps grow exponentially once adoption reaches a critical mass. Each new user attracts more users, creating a self-reinforcing cycle that investors find extremely attractive. Case study of Instagram. Instagram is one of the most cited examples of rapid valuation growth. Launched in 2010, the app gained millions of users within months due to its simplicity and mobile-first design. With only a small team, Instagram attracted Facebook's attention and was acquired for $1 billion just 2 years after its launch, proving that scale mattered more than age. Case study of Zoom. Zoom's rise demonstrates how timing and necessity can drive explosive growth. While video conferencing tools existed even before, Zoom's ease of use and reliability made it essential during global lockdown. Its user base expanded rapidly, pushing its valuation into billions almost overnight. The company benefited from a sudden shift in work culture rather than years of gradual adoption. The role of global markets. Modern startups are not limited by geography. A company launched in one country can attract users worldwide within days. App stores, digital payments, and global logistics networks allow startups to expand without building physical presence. This global reach multiplies growth potential and justifies high valuations early in a company's life cycle. Consumer behavior and instant adoption. Today's consumers are quick to adopt a new product. Social media influencers and digital marketing allow startups to reach massive audiences instantly. A product that resonates emotionally or solves a daily problem can go viral, creating sudden spikes in demand that push valuations upwards. The role of data and algorithms. Startups today rely heavily on data-driven decision-making algorithms, track user behavior, optimize pricing, personalize content, and improve efficiency. This ability to scale intelligently reassures investors that growth can be sustained, making billion-dollar valuations appear more achievable in shorter time frames. The fear of missing out. Investor psychology plays a major role in overnight unicorn. Fear of missing out, often called FOMO, drives aggressive funding rounds. When one major investor backs a startup, others follow quickly, inflating valuations. This competitive environment can push companies to billion-dollar status faster than their fundamentals might justify. Startup ecosystems, incubators, and accelerators have streamlined the path to growth. Programs like Y Combinator and Techstars provide funding, mentorship, and exposure. Startups graduating from these programs often attract immediate investor attention, shortening the timeline to massive valuations. Industry disruption as a shortcut. Many billion-dollar startups succeed by disrupting traditional industries. Ride-hailing, food delivery, fintech, and e-commerce startups challenge long-established players. By offering convenience and lower costs, these companies capture market share rapidly, convincing investors that they could dominate entire sectors. The role of branding and storytelling. Strong storytelling plays a crucial role in rapid valuation growth. Startups that present a compelling vision, changing the world, democratizing access, or solving systematic problems attract both users and investors. Branding often amplifies perceived value beyond current revenue figures. While rapid growth is impressive, it carries risks. Some startups struggle to sustain momentum after initial hype fades. High valuations can create pressure to grow unsustainably, leading to layoffs, downsizing, or even collapse. Not every overnight unicorn survives long-term scrutiny.
Now the mood is changing. Indian startups are now staring at a long and gloomy winter.
The reality of profitability. Many billion-dollar startups operate at a loss for years. Investors prioritize growth over profits, believing scale will eventually lead to financial stability. However, when funding slows or markets conditions change, companies are forced to prove real economic value, revealing the fragility of some rapid success stories. Let's talk about the future of billion-dollar startups. As technology continues to evolve, the timeline to reach billion-dollar valuations may shrink. Further automation, AI, and decentralized systems could enable even faster scaling. However, competition will intensify, making differentiation and genuine value creation more important than ever. Beyond the billion-dollar label, the rise of billion-dollar startups overnight reflects a transformed global economy driven by technology, capital, and speed. While valuations capture headlines, true success lies in longevity, impact, and resilience. Overnight unicorns symbolize opportunity, innovation, and ambition. But only those built on strong foundations will endure beyond the hype. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to FBB Daily for more simple, clear explanations on business, economy, and real-world trends. This is Aryaki, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.